Are you looking for a job and don't know what to do? This website will help you with strategies for your employment. Go to Computrabajo.com and open the home page. And now log in with your email. And check what this site offers you. Click on My Area. And read the offers that fit your profile. You can also click on Summary of your application status. In Applications. And in My Favorites you can search for your jobs. You can also click on Search for Job Offers. Resume and also Who Viewed My Profile. Click on your profile and for example you can see one of the featured companies read their profile. And also review their offers. You can click on Position or Category and also click on Place. To add your location. To segment your search. You can also find company evaluations and salaries. If you go back to your profile you can edit your modification alerts. And so on. Don't forget that this website will help you to search for a job in a fast and easy way. What are you waiting for to use it?